Oh no!
Ano naman yan? Bakit? Ha? Gusto. Gusto mong ano? Kumanta. Gusto mo kumanta? Gusto mo kumanta? Paano ba matuto yung aso kumanta? Ah, alam ko na, Tiyo. Oh, alam ko na. Okay, Tiyo, tanungin natin. Teach my dog how to sing.
Sing songs that your dog has responded to before and encourage them to join in. Use the sing command to prompt them and reward them when they participate. 4. Practice regularly.
Okay, Tiyo, try natin. Wherever you go, wherever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Wherever it takes, oh my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. Galing, Kapir! Good job! It's your treat! Yes!